Hello guys, today I will show you how you can make an image shape like this in modern website layouts. We are using images like these shapes. You can see these are some modern image website layouts. People would like to give their image shape like this. So I found searched on YouTube or Google. They didn't get so much materials that will make images like this. That's why I'm creating the video for you how you can make images shapes like this. So I'm going to make it with Illustrator. I'm going to give a shape of the image like this. So let's see how we can do that. First you have to open a new layout. You can give any width and height, and then you have to choose an image from your computer. I'm choosing this one and just opened it. So now we will take a part and give it a shape like that. We can give any shape we want. So what you have to do, first you have to choose the pencil tool. I just choose the pencil tool, and then you have to just make a round whatever shape you want to give. You have to just draw a shape. Okay, you can see I just give it a shape. And now you have to again click on the selection tool. Now you have to select the whole sections, then click on the right of your mouse, then you can see make clipping mask. Just click on it and you can see we get a shape like this. You can make it more curvy, more round. That will allow to make more accurate shape. So that's all. You can then save the image on your computer and upload in your website. It will give it a professional look in your website layout. Thank you for watching this video.